I get it honestly the way I tip my glass. I learned from a dinosaur to tell them all to kiss my ass. Yeah, I'm known to get a little wild with all my rowdy friends. And we might get whiskey, being hellbound, yeah, son, it all depends. You might find me on a creek bank going toe-to-toe with a flathead cat. Somewhere knee-deep in the red clay mud, tell me what y'all know about that. I can't help it, that's the way I am. Yeah, I was raised to walk the line. I work hard till the daylight's gone, then go find a good time. Tip back a couple cold ones, yeah, son, what else can I say? You can blame it on the Hank and the drinking, 'cause they made me this way.
I'm known to take the low road and make a bottle disappear. And that's easy to do when you got old Hank Jr. crooning in your ear. I might end up at a bar fight one night at the Stumbling. Pay the tab, call the cab, get up the next morning and do it all over again. Oh, how I love being in a country state of mind. If you ain't misbehaving, son, and you ain't doing something right, let's crank both Seavers, drink whiskey by the gallon till we're howling at the moon. And it's a family tradition to raise your glass and mention all the ones that left too soon.
I can't help it, that's the way I am. Yeah, I was raised to walk the line. I work hard till the daylight's gone, then go find a good time. Tip back a couple cold ones, yeah, son, what else can I say? You can blame it on the Hank and the drinking, 'cause they made me this way.
Hey, weatherman, can you tell me what's the forecast for the night? There just might be a storm brewing, 'cause I got Dixie on my mind. You might find me stoned at the jukebox when I've had all that I can take. 'Cause you know old habits like you, girl, they're just so damn hard to break. If I need an attitude adjustment, I pour my whiskey on ice. And all you outlaw women, you better be ready, 'cause I'm gonna go hunting tonight. And you know I got me a shotgun, a rifle, and a four-wheel drive. And I ain't gotta worry about nothing, 'cause a country boy can't survive.
I can't help it, that's the way I am. Yeah, I was raised to walk the line. I work hard till the daylight's gone, then go find a good time. Tip back a couple cold ones, yeah, son, what else can I say? You can blame it on the Hank and the drinking, 'cause they made me this way.